Hey guys, what's up? It's Wrecker, and today I'm going to be doing another part of the Lightning Temple. So first off, we're going to fly up here. Sorry guys, I did some stuff. And then you're going to want to move the mirrors to the right position and go in that room. From this room, you are going to stand up the block, and then you can put two mirrors on each other. You don't really have to do that. To continue the story, you're going to, whoops, no. Good, it has an ascending block. You're going to want to pull this over here, and a room will open up there. From that stairway, you get to fly. Well, there's also a block under this wind that makes you do. So you go in there, and there's a walkway to here. Once you're here, you just go down all the way here and set off the thing. There is some fire though, so it's kind of dangerous. And then for the next one, you just turn this into the light. Go to where the light is. Press this button right here so the thing will move out of the way. And there's going to be a big fight. There's also a Gibdo thing like right there. And so it's going to be annoying when you're fighting all the constructs. So once you kill all the constructs and do your stuff, then you're going to want to ascend up high, like this. Once here, you'll see there is a light. That is just sitting there, which is really annoying. So you have to get a mirror, which is also going to be annoying. But there's a mirror on a shield. It can get glued to something. So we stick this here. And we stick this on the far end. Then you whack it. And come on, let me lift you up. And you're gonna need to get higher before you can finish lifting it up. Also, there's a construct bow here. Once it's that high, it's still going to be a bit off, so you're going to need to ascend right there. And it's slowly taking away from my bad battery. Very bad, indeed. There, it's green. So once you have that thing green, the door down here will open. And as you see, it opened. Now you can just... You don't even have to shoot it, it'd be a waste. You can just leave it there. It will suck down your battery until you run away and it'll shut off. Why does she keep disappearing? Oh, she's so small, she hides from everywhere. You can't ever see her, and then when you need her, you can't find her. Okay, there we are. We have another one. That is the third one, and we have one more. Is below, or it's above. So it's right here. Okay, now there's a mirror blocking the exit, if I remember right. So let's go over there. Okay, it's like right up. Yep, one above. So I can ascend right here, actually. There is a problem with this place, though, because if you guys look, you will notice that there's a mirror. A stinking mirror. And the light is right there. Now, it goes all the way down there, so I'm going to guess we need those hover blocks again. We might need them. Let's just go get them. Okay, anyway, that one's off and that one's the one with the mirror. Let's grab it. Please say it'll fit through the exit. Oh, How dare it? That's what you do, guys. If it doesn't fit through the exit, you just make it even shorter. Now we're gonna need to get this thing higher up. Whoa, did you just see some dude like just fall from the sky? I think that was the Gerudo person. Okay. Bring it, oh come on. Okay. We're halfway there, guys. We're halfway there. I hate how you can't see a single thing. Do not drop. Oh, come on. Did it have to be that off? You're serious. Oh my goodness. What? Guys, do you see how annoying this is? There, we did it. The statue will now move, and there will be a lever underneath. Pressure plate, whatever you want to call it. Why didn't the statue just press the pressure plate in the first place? Oh my goodness, guys, do you see this? It is death. Ow! Whoa, did that just kill me? I think it did. Oh, I know what I have to do. Yep. See, there's blocks. We need to make it thick. Very thick. Let's make it super thick, in fact. Maybe this will work, maybe it won't. Maybe it'll just crush them. Imagine it does crush them and it's just like, okay, what? Oh, I wanted to keep it smashed. Then it'd be like Indiana Jones. Oh look, it's more. They just happen to be stuck in the wall so perfectly. Okay guys. That much space is good enough for me. I don't know about this construct though. I think he's got too little space. He needs to fall. Yeah, try and hit me. Alright, killed up that. Master Sword's running low on energy. There are two sturdy wooden sticks. There's a mirror right there. Well, this mirror is a pretty small mirror. Is there like mini mirrors or something? Something's wrong with that. It's not enough light. Okay. For some reason, I think something has to do with this steak. So let's shove it in here. Wait, I won't go down in that. That's like super tough. Okay, anyway, let's see where we have to aim this thing. There's something like, oh, guys, you just gotta blow away all the sand and find the pressure plate. I guess there's not a pressure plate, it's this thing. Where's my mirror? Right now we're stuck down here. Oh wait. Okay. There we go. And then it's gonna end up doing another cutscene because I completed both of them. Where's the exit? Ah. Even better. No exit, just descend. And then we have the big block in the way. There we go. It worked. Now the final door is open. Guys, I don't know. I think we should try and kill this boss for the video. Okay. Where's Girly? Here you are. Boom. The final lock. Well, I just call it a lock. It's one of my... Oh, look. There's even that hover thing right there. We could use it. Okay, come on. Let's go. Okay. Guys, it would be awesome if we had the master sword, but let's just fight the boss without the master sword. Okay, guys. Are you ready? If the boss is like it was last time, it shouldn't be too hard. Yeah, see, everything disappeared. They talk. Let's just slow, you guys. I mean, that wind is like 3 times faster than us. Uh-oh. Are you ready? Oh, there's some of those egg things. Gibdo spawners. I want the Gibdo spawners to be destroyed first. Now let's use it. Get close to this Gibdo spawner. Come on. Do I seriously have to start the fight before it'll turn on? Guess so. Oh shoot, it shut off. That was a waste of my arrows. Turn it back on. Okay, there we go. Guys, we destroyed it. Now we're in for it. Yay, look, it's Mother Gibdo. Queen Gibdo, actually. Now she's super mad because I hurt her last time. I wonder if she's gonna be halfway. Hey, I can just shoot my Goron at it when her power runs out. Oh, but the Goron doesn't go exactly where you want. Whoa, it's shooting some big black muck. And I'm in no position to fight because I'm almost dead. Queen Gibdo, die. Now I need to swap weapons here. Oh! That was unexpected. Great, the master sword just broke. So much for that. Wow, she's actually pretty weak for a queen. Whoa! You just trampled me, guys. Did you see that? Let's take this guy out. I doubt I even have enough food to eat. Let's use something as strong as possible. 38 in this one hand, sure. Where is she? So she's hiding back there. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Whoa! Dude, you just trampled my friend. Yeah, that did some damage. Okay. Shield. Yeah, I'll watch out for him. That did like nothing. Yes! Electric damage. There, now it's halfway. Now it's super mad. It's because those are going to start spawning stuff now. See? Look, they turned red. They got holes. Now we're really big trouble. Oh shoot, it's shooting that spraying mouth junk. Oh shoot, this guy's crawling around. They're crawling around and hitting me. Well, they just puked. Ow! Oh, they're puking now. Guys, look, if they go in the light, they die. Yes, I was right. Stay in the light and you'll survive. It's like Wind Waker. You can shine guys like this in Wind Waker with light and they die. It's your safety. Just kill them now. Wait, they're just gonna keep respawning. I can't do that. I need more light. Oh shoot. There, that one's down. More light! Yay! Now I need to wait here because I'm safe. Also, I should probably use a weaker weapon on those little guys. Shoot, it didn't work. Now I'm being attacked by the boss. Guys, this is tough. Stop chasing me. You're just crawling around. There, that one's down. Now we got more light. Whoa! No, it's spewing puke again. We gotta kill them all. Look, the queen is just sitting up there. Waiting for her next meal. Which hopefully isn't me, and that I think was the queen that just sped by. Oh my goodness, guys. Yeah, chase me into your death. I'm safe here as long as she doesn't spew stuff at me. Oh shoot, that guy's spewing stuff at me. Oh, wow. See, I'm safe in here. Don't fly off. There's a couple of them left. There we go, now I'm safe. Kind of. Why didn't it fall to the ground before? Great, now I'm in big trouble. No. And now it's electrocuted. Now we need this. Great, now I gotta throw it out. Okay, let's get back to that thing. Hey, that did some damage. Whoa! I was not expecting that, you guys. That was unexpected trample. This thing is not playing a fair game. Where's my bud? No, it's gonna trample me again. I just ate my lightning-proof food. I don't care. Yikes, now it's a sandstorm again. Another sandstorm. Stop making sandstorms. Nice, I killed it. Actually, I didn't kill it. Die. Come on. There, we killed it, guys. That is the end. I will unpause when the cutscenes are done. And look at that. We have just completed the lightning temple. So now let's go buy some clothes before I burn to death real quick. And then we must end this video. Hopefully there's no more rip-offs. I want to check the price of that one pair of clothes. Oh, that's the clothes store, I bet. Do I have to use the secret code? Yeah, I bet I do. Oh my goodness. Should I help him? I wonder if I can help him. Okay, never mind. Whatever. So, hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is Wrecker, signing off.